The rumor mill is at a fever pitch as users across social media speculate about the release of a mooted Tesla Pi phone. Most unsubstantiated rumors in clickbait point to a release of a Tesla phone, automatically charges in sunlight and connects to Starlink internet. Despite these predictions, neither Tesla nor Elon Musk have confirmed the release of such a device. Below, we are going to look at whether these rumors are credible and whether or not we can expect to see Tesla take on Apple and Samsung in 2025. The Tesla Pi phone is a smartphone allegedly being developed by Tesla. This phone is said to automatically charge in sunlight and connect to Starlink internet. Most of the rumors around a Tesla smartphone are just pure speculation and fan theories. Elon Musk has not shown enthusiasm at the idea of a phone, and the idea of making a phone makes me want to die. Most of the hype seems to come from the idea that a Tesla smartphone could integrate with other Musk projects like X, Starlink, and more. Although there are lots of rumors and even images being spread hinting at the launch of a Tesla Pi smartphone, these are fake news based on designs posted by designers in the past. As noted above, neither Tesla or Elon Musk have confirmed a release, and other than AI-generated articles or clickbait, there do not seem to be any credible leaks suggesting one is on the cards. Likewise, while the idea of a Tesla phone integrating with third-party Musk services like Starlink, Grok, X, or Neuralink is exciting, it is unlikely that the company would move into the market. Taking on established models like the Apple iPhone and Samsung Galaxy would be extremely difficult. Why are people talking about a Tesla Pi phone? People are talking about the device based on misinformation on social media about the release, with some users suggesting a Tesla phone release date will be announced before the end of 2024. Similarly, posts on X show pictures of an alleged Pi smartphone and suggest that it will be 100% private, with free Starlink internet and an X Premium Plus subscription. Other rumors suggest a Tesla phone price of around $100. Why people think a Tesla phone is coming out beyond simple misinformation due to users posting that the Tesla phone is coming out simply to generate traffic. Many people believe the automaker is producing a phone because it makes sense for the company. Building a smartphone could enable users to interact with Tesla's electric vehicles, Starlight Internet, the X platform, the Grok virtual assistant, and even Neuralink implants as part of a mammoth technology ecosystem. Once again, there is no official announcement, and based on what we've seen, there is little in the way of credible leaks either. So for now, these reports are all pure speculation. What would a Tesla smartphone look like? The fan fiction designs shared across social media depict the Pi smartphone as an iPhone combined with the blockier, futuristic style we've seen in other Tesla products, such as the Cybertruck. It's easy to imagine a world where a user could pick up their Pi phone and unlock their Tesla car while making a post on X and asking Grok for recommendations on where to go, all supported seamlessly with high-speed Starlink internet. What have Tesla and Elon Musk said about a Tesla phone? While there's been lots of buzz around the idea, Musk has emphatically denied that such a device is undergoing development. In an episode of the Joe Rogan Experience in November 2024, Musk stated that Tesla is in a better position to create a new phone that's not Android or iPhone than maybe any company in the world. But it's not something we want to do unless we have to or something. That being said, he didn't rule out that it could happen. If Apple and Google Android started doing really bad things like censorship of apps or being like gatekeepers in a bad way, then I guess we'd make a phone, Musk said. These largely echo comments Musk made in an October town hall Q&A for Donald Trump's presidential campaign, when Musk outright stated, "The idea of making a phone makes me want to die." The bottom line, given the lack of an official announcement or credible leaks of a device undergoing development, it doesn't look like a Tesla phone will be for sale anytime soon. Likewise, Musk's comments suggest that he's genuinely not interested in releasing a smartphone in the future. Of course, with Musk being Musk, we can't rule out a pivot in the future. After all, his shock acquisition of Twitter showed that anything can happen. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share.